Hi friends, this is Microsoft Excel series and you are watching DigiMastery channel. In this video, we will discuss about unique function, that is important function in Excel, especially when you working in office environment. You will get complete detail of unique function in this video. Let's start. You can see dataset. With unique function, you dynamically get a distinct list. For example, I want distinct list of state name. Here we write is equal to unique bracket start. First argument is array and that is selected like this. Because dataset is in table format, close bracket and press enter. Now you can see distinct state name list. Now to clear this, select this all and press Alt H E A. Click in the data table, go to table design and click on this option and select yes. Write is equal to sign unique bracket start and first argument is array. Select this range, close bracket and press enter. Now you can see distinct state name list. Now you know both procedure with table format and without table format. Now move forward. If we want unique combination of two columns, for this write is equal to sign unique. In first argument that is array, select this range like this. Close bracket and press enter. You can see unique combination list of both column. For table format, same procedure you can perform like this. In unique function, you also have additional argument that is very useful. For example, if we want state name that only occur once in this dataset, for this is equal to sign unique bracket start and you can see that third argument exactly once. This time we use this argument. First of all, for array, select this range, comma, by column, select false, return unique row, comma, for exactly once, click on true, and that is return item that appear exactly once, and close bracket and press enter. You can see state name list that only occur once in this dataset. To compare with unique, write is equal to sign for array, select this range and close bracket and press enter. Now you compare. This is unique list in dataset, but this list is only one times occur in dataset. Now all of this is dynamic. If we write here UP and press enter, you can see all unique result update automatically. I hope you will enjoy this video. Please practice this, that enhance your skill, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.